Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix Roblox not launching on Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, try running Roblox as an administrator. Sometimes Roblox cannot start because it does not have the permissions it needs. Go to your desktop and find the Roblox player shortcut. Right-click on it and select Properties. Open the Compatibility tab, then check the box that says Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and then click OK. After that, try launching Roblox again. If Roblox is still not opening, the problem may be caused by corrupted cache files. To fix this, press the Windows key and R on your keyboard at the same time to open the Run dialog box. Type %localapdata% and press Enter. A folder will open on your screen. Find the Roblox folder and delete it. This will remove old temporary files that may be causing the issue. Now open Roblox from your browser again. Roblox will automatically download fresh files and create a new clean cache. Another thing you should check is the Windows Defender Firewall settings. Open the Start menu and search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. Select Change Settings at the top. Scroll through the list and find Roblox and Roblox Game Client. Make sure both the private and public boxes are checked for each one. This allows Roblox to connect properly to the internet without being blocked by Windows. Once you complete all these steps, restart your computer and try opening Roblox again. Thanks for watching.